Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe. What is light? It's not what you think. Right now, light is hitting your eyes. But here's the strange part. You've never actually seen light. Not directly. What you see is your brain's interpretation of something far more mysterious. Because light is not just brightness. It's not just color. It's not just what helps you see. In fact, light is one of the most confusing things in the entire universe. It behaves like a wave and a particle at the same time. And once you understand what that means, you'll never look at reality the same way again. Let's begin. Most people think light is simple. You flip a switch, and the room becomes visible. You go outside, and sunlight fills the sky, so it feels obvious. Light equals illumination. But that's just the effect, not the explanation, because the real question is, what actually is light? To answer that, we have to go deeper, much deeper. For a long time, scientists believed light was a wave, something that travels through space. Like ripples in water, except instead of water, light moves through electric and magnetic fields. This is called an electromagnetic wave, and it travels incredibly fast. About 300,000 kilometers per second, fast enough to circle the Earth 7 times. In 1 second. But here's where it gets strange. Waves spread out, they interfere, they overlap, and light does all of that, which made scientists confident. Light is a wave, simple, solved, except it wasn't. Because when scientists looked closer, light started behaving like something completely different. Instead of a smooth wave, it sometimes acted like tiny packets, discrete, individual, almost like particles. These packets are called photons. And photons behave like little units of energy. They can hit surfaces, transfer energy, even knock electrons out of atoms. So now we have a problem, because light is acting like a wave and a particle. Which one is it? The answer, both. At the same time. It's called wave-particle duality, and it's one of the strangest ideas in physics because it means light doesn't fit into our normal categories. It's not just one thing, it's something deeper, something we don't fully experience in everyday life. Imagine something that can behave like a ripple and a tiny object, depending on how you observe it. That's light. And it gets even stranger. In certain experiments, light behaves differently, depending on whether it's being observed. When you measure it, it acts like a particle. When you don't, it acts like a wave. Think about that. The act of observing changes behavior, which raises a deeper question. What is reality when no one is looking? Now, let's talk about color, because what you see is not what exists. Light itself has no color. It's just different wavelengths, different energies. Your eyes detect those wavelengths, and your brain translates them into color. Red, blue, green. So color is not in the light, it's in you, which means everyone is living in a slightly different visual world. Light doesn't just show us reality, it connects us to the past, because light takes time to travel. When you look at the sun, you're seeing it as it was 8 minutes ago. When you look at distant stars, you're seeing them as they were millions, even billions of years ago. So every time you look at the sky, you're looking back in time. Everything you see exists because of light. Objects reflect light. Your eyes detect it. Your brain builds an image. Without light, there is no visible world, no shapes, no color, no perception. So, in a way, light is what creates your experience of reality. So, what is light? It's energy. It's information. It's a wave. It's a particle. It's something that doesn't fit neatly into human intuition. And that's the point. Because the deeper you go into physics, the more you realize reality is not what it seems. So the next time you turn on a light or step outside into the sun, remember this. You're not just seeing brightness, you're witnessing something that travels across space, acts in multiple forms, and shapes your entire perception of reality. And maybe the real question isn't what is light, but how much of reality are we still misunderstanding? That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.